Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One-time online support is Geek Squad's least expensive option, starting at $69.99 for a PC tune-up service. You'd pay $99.99 for this in the store. A $9.99 per month subscription service, with a $99.99 initial fee, is also an excellent value.
Take our lead.
We will replace, not repair, your product if you purchased a product replacement plan. Under a standard Geek Squad protection plan, we may also replace your device, at our discretion, if we choose not to repair it or otherwise provide you with store credit.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ultimately, Geek Squad services are worth it to some people, but not others. If you have the extra money, don't want to be beholden to friends and family, or want to make sure the job is done right, I highly encourage you to try Geek Squad at least once.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To repair your device, we'll collect a flat-rate labor fee of $84.95 at the store, unless you are covered under a Geek Squad protection plan or manufacturer warranty. We will then send your device to Geek Squad City, where they will diagnose your issue.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.